My people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. I greet you according to una time. Now welcome back to another video. If today na the first day wey be say you just see my channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So today's video, my people, I will show una how to cook delicious egusi soup. So my people, for pot I can pour egusi, I can begin dey fry. I dey like to go through this process because before I no dey eat egusi soup. If I just eat egusi, e go just make my belle dey bloated and I no dey comfortable. Belle go dey pain me. But since when I take start to dey fry my egusi like this before I blend am, then come cook am, now I no dey feel all those bloated again. Now e dey settle well for my belle. So if you know say you no dey like egusi because e dey give you that problem, trust me, if you fry am before you begin cook am like this, you go thank me later. So my people, as we dey cook, I go dey introduce the ingredients to una. So for my pot I come put red oil. Then after the red oil just hot small, then I come put onions, then I come fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. So my people, if you never subscribe, make you no forget to subscribe. Make you like this video, make you share with your loved ones and family. So after that, then I come add blended tatashe, onions, ginger, garlic, and fresh pepper. Yes, very hot. I put a lot of pepper, a lot of fresh pepper. You fit put according to how you take want am. Me, I dey like pepper for egusi soup. So this na the egusi, as you guys can see. So it come cool down small. Then now I come begin dey blend am. So now the blender, when I take blend my pepper, na it be that I make una dey see pepper for the blender. So I come blend am, then I come set that one aside. Then I come check on my pot to see how my pot dey do. Then I come begin stir am so that make e no burn. So guys, this is it. Then I come add crayfish. I dey like a lot of crayfish for my egusi soup. Then I come stir am. The aroma already is given. So guys, then I come put my blended egusi. Look at this. Then I come put my blended egusi. So guys, if you don't watch up to this time, you not forget to like, make you not forget to subscribe. Then I come begin to stir am. So guys, at this point, I just make sure so you dey stir am because egusi dey easy to burn. No, e don dey burn. So you just make sure to dey stir am. No put am for fire, go sit down dey watch on video. Before you come back, your egusi go burn. So you just make sure to dey stir am. And if you this process, make sure so you fry am well. So if you fry your egusi very well like this too, you know nothing will make am pain you for belle. So I just try to fry am to make sure say e fry very well. Then I dey stir. As you guys can see, and na non-stick pan now I still dey use. If you know say na the one wey be say your pot dey burn food, make sure to dey stir am all the time so that make e no burn. So now wetin I just dey try dey do with this, I come cover am, come leave am make e cook for like 1 minute. I come still come back, come check am. Then I come begin dey stir. As you guys can see, I dey like to fry my egusi very well like this. Like I go fry am. As you guys can see, now see say the egusi don swallow the tomatoes. In fact, they don marry each other. So now e don dey okay. Time don reach for me to introduce the meat. My people, may I not vex say this meat I not sure una how to cook am. How I take season and pour everything. I set my camera. I think say maybe I press this a record. I no even know say I not press am. I just begin dey talk. Now later I come see say I not press record. Make una no vex. But this na cow leg, ishakiya body, stockfish. Then I come put my seasoning. So if you use any seasoning of your choice. So now wetin just did then I be that. Then I come put am. Then I come stir am. My egusi is cooking very good. It's cooking nicely. I come stir am. I come put the meat stock. Then I come begin stir am. I come turn am together. They come marry each other. As you guys can see, everywhere they scent already. You not see the egusi the way it look because it fry very well. Then I come put my gray fish. This na gray mackerel fish. I just dey bring am out from the oven. And they like to gray my fish. So that's na my people. Then I come begin stir am. Come stir everything together. Then I come cover am, make it cook. So na my people, hope una dey enjoy the video. If you don't watch me up to this time, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Then I come back again after like 1 or 2 minutes. Then I come check on my food. This egusi soup is giving. This egusi soup, it tastes so yummy, my people. It tastes so yummy. come stir around, then I come taste for salt. It was perfectly okay. Another thing, my people, if you fry your egusi very well, e go just dey okay. The water go no go separate from, you know say some egusi, the water go separate from the egusi, then you come dey see water on top of the egusi. No, egusi not supposed to look like that. That kind of egusi no dey sweet. But if you fry your egusi very well, not, you know, if you see that kind thing, say maybe water will come dey float on top of your egusi. No, egusi not supposed to be like that. So as you guys can see, now not see the way e fine for face. So later, my people, I come put bitter leaf. This bitter leaf, I wash am well with salt to avoid that bitter taste. So I wash am well, make sure say all the bitter taste come out. So I come put am, then I come cover am, make it simmer for like 5 or 10 minutes. So voila, my egusi don ready. So my people, wetin una think? Una like this method of cooking egusi? Abi una like the one wey be say dem no dey fry, you pour the egusi on top of a meat? So which method una like? Una let me know for the comment section. Abeg make una no forget to like this video, make una share with una loved ones, make una leave nice comments for me, okay? I love you. I will see una again for my next video. Now bye bye.